Hello everyone, this is Derek from Sunglory. I'm responsible for stainless steel thermal flask production line project and have successfully set up 4 production lines for thermal steel bottle flasks. Today, water bottle, vacuum flasks, and temperatures are in high demand in markets like India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Vietnam, and Indonesia. According to market data and customer feedback, orders are booming. Many of our customers are expanding their capacity and improving quality. So you can see stainless steel vacuum flasks is very hot and profitable project. If you are considering setting up your own production line, Sunglory is your best project partner. We provide complete stainless steel vacuum flask production line solution and turnkey projects, including machines, molds, and tools. Most of our customers can return their investment within 8 to 18 months. We have successfully installed 65 production lines worldwide, serving well-known brands like Milton, Survey, JP+, RFL, and more. We also have our global service center in India, Bangladesh, Turkey, Egypt, Algeria, and Mexico. Support machine installation and daily production. And we also provide lifetime engineering support. At our training center, we operate a fully functional demo line. Welcome your technical team to our training center for hands-on training. We ensure that the first trial production runs smoothly before shipment. 95% of any issues are resolved in China. Our machines are part of the Interengy third generation, boosting 30% energy savings and 50% time savings on size adjustments, along with robust safety features that ensure your workers can produce efficiently, happily, and safely. Now you can see this machine is running and I put my hand inside and then stop. Choose Sunglory and it will guarantee success from day one.